Hello, Jesse. What are you doing here? Oh, you're playing Five Nights at Candy's 3? Days.
Really hard max mode.
Oh. Wait, are you playing, I don't remember.
But better.
I see. Oh, yeah, okay, yeah, this is the version I'm thinking of, yeah, yeah, no, the fan-made version of the full Max Knight. What made you want to start grinding this out?
The Bones 5.
What is that?
The Bones 5.
No, fair enough. I was wondering how to play Tom. Hey, look, how's your day been? How's your day been?
Stressful.
Oh, why's that?
This game. How about
Oh,
you?
it's been good. Went to work. Went to work. After work, we went to a park nearby where we work. Yeah, I had fun. I'll let you say my world went revolving because there's a spinning thing where you can stay in it and then if somebody pushes you, you go spin. I had like a 22-year-old man was he's one of the leaders spin me around. Oh, it was fun, but once I got out, my stomach felt chaos indeed. Yeah, no. So, but overall, it's been good. I've just been chilling. I'm gonna eat me some spaghetti.
There we go.
I love Deltarune. Love Deltarune.
Let's go! Oh my god! Damn it! No, 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 no!
That doesn't sound good.
I accidentally stalled Rat.
Ooh.
Maybe you don't know that's really bad.
Yeah, I've seen a video on this a while ago, but yeah, that don't sound good.
I gotta get this attack done fast.
Mr. Krabs, please don't make my tummy upsetty spaghetti by eating the spaghetti right here. A light snack, you know.
Oh my god, I did it!
Nice.
Okay, just don't stall Rat again, you dumb person.
Oh, I forgot. I unplugged the microwave. I was like, why microwave? I'm not on. Back on microwave. Where is there's my phone. Yeah. What?
Oh my god, I'm gonna do it. First mid-side cat. Oh my god.
Wrong answer. Rally.
Yes! 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 Oh my god! Oh shit!
Oh, you beat the night?
Let's go! That's medium down. Oh my god, I got the cycle! Oh, let's fucking
Nice.
go! Oh, let's
How
go.
long you, how long you been doing medium for?
a day.
Oh,
Fuck. Okay.
you got this, girl. Go, girl, go.
Ah! Let's game! Okay. Girona!
Girona.
Ooh, I'm happy with that. I was gonna die on that cycle. I was gonna die on that cycle. Yeah!
Nice going.